Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at ARM stock. So guys, can ARM still continue in its direction all the way to 164? Is that still a possibility, right? That is the all-time high. So we have been talking about the price action on this, right? And if you have been following my videos, you are aware about this channel that I have been talking about, that the ARM stock is in. All the pullbacks into the pivots are just a buy, as I have been saying. And structure break has never happened on this to the downside, even into these pullbacks, right? It has always held these support levels, right? So before going further, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. Do your own due diligence. You're solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. So the last time what we were talking about, so this was the area where I was expecting a explosion to the upside, a massive move to the upside in the stock price, because there was just so much support sitting down here, consolidation with the level structural support at $108 to $109, with the 20 days moving average coming from below. And so that was the breakout we got. And also the level with the confirmed breakout was about 170.26 cents. We got that move. It sold off after the couple of days at the channel high, right? We got these sell-offs, but that's fine, right? This is the way the stock prices move. And once we got the direction, we follow that direction. Pullbacks are bought up and you take the profits and the extensions. Now over here is what I mentioned, that if these pullbacks continue, any price action close to this trend line or bottom of the channel can be bought back up, and we went higher up again, right? So the structure is still bullish though, guys, okay? The structure is not broken on ARM. Even in these pullbacks, the structure break is below 115 and 45 cents. That's where the structure loose or the break is. Now, until that is not happening, we are bullish. And 115 is such a strong support, at least for the time being, well, unless it breaks, right? But why is it so strong? Is because we not just have a structural support over here, but also we have 50 days moving average coming from below, 20 days moving average below there. And also the bottom of the channel is right intersecting over there. So that's why it's so important. So yes, you get my point. Everything is to the upside on ARM still, right? The structure is still bullish. The next level you are watching also is that 121 and 40 cents, because that's where these prior pivots are. I call them tornadoes, touchdowns, and some strong structural resistance over there. Because this has been up there for what, many weeks and days as well, right? So that's why this area, again, getting above 121 and 68 cents, or sorry, 121 and almost 41 cents, or 47 cents, sorry, is the area that once we get out of, it opens up the door of the continuation. So yes, we are still in the upside direction. Is 164 just going to happen this coming week? Well, likelihood of that happening is low, but we are in that direction. All right, structure is bullish. So average range that it's giving us is almost $7, right? The ARM stock. So 7 times 5, there are 5 days in a week, right? That's $35. So 120 plus $35, that's the best case scenario, that it just keeps going up every day, $7 on average. 120 plus 35 is what? Help me out. Well, 155. So that is still short of 164, provided for next, without any pullback, just continues to go up. So you get my point. Is out of that reach just going into this week, but the direction is still to the upside on ARM stock, all right? Unless it breaks and closes a day below $115 from where the price action is right now. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about a couple of things over there. Now, over here, we are also above 200 hours moving average. Now, this is more of a bull flag in my opinion, because we are in the uptrend, and this is not like a sell-off, right? This is not making lower highs, lower lows on intraday that strongly as well. You can see that anytime we are trying to make a lower low, we are not really letting go the overhead resistance, right? We are not that we are rejecting at a previous low, right? We are going higher up. So this constitutes to a bull flag, sorry, not bear flag, bull flag, because we are in this uptrend. And so the level as we were watching is also significant level, 121 and 39 cents almost. I know previously I said 121 and 47 cents. penny to penny, it doesn't matter. All right, wherever I have my line around it, it just shows me that number, and I say that I'm not gonna go penny to penny, cents by cents. It doesn't matter. All right, it's about getting the idea around that area. Okay, and so yeah, if we get above 121 and new cents now, 40 cents. Okay, we will continue higher up, watch the 126, and if we reject there due to this previous little bit of supply zone, because I can see there's constantly some sell-off coming in at 123 and 70 cents or so. If we reject anywhere up there and we continue to hold the level of 121.46 cents, this is just an intraday continuation to the upside. To put it simply, just stay in this channel, follow this channel, accordingly take the trades, you will be fine. Again, have a stop loss as well. It's about the discipline and staying with the structure and trading with the structure. Yeah, so yeah, ARM is still in that direction to the uptrend, guys. I'm not seeing any downside right now. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval as well. Let's see what's going on there with this thing. So last trading day, guys, was very wacky. Friday. Things have been just going up and down, and you can see the zigzag is going on this thing. But yeah, that's fine. Zigzag is the part of trading. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, yeah, this is mostly, just setting up, in my opinion, again, to go to the upside. I don't see ARM just selling off, and I mean, intraday it can sell off, but the bottom of the channels is just getting bought back up, guys, at these significant levels. The best way to see the support forming is like the patterns like on lower time frames. Like I'm on 5 minutes interval right now, so patterns like on lower time frames, you see these double bottoms forming, right? And this constitutes that, all right, let's get ready, right? Things may be going up now. So this is where these type of reading of the price action comes in handy. Okay, so just keep this in mind. All right, but yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Nothing complicated. ARM is simple, easy peasy. And I did a video on NVIDIA as well this morning, guys. Check it out on my channel. And then I will be doing other videos as well, like what we call like AMD, Broadcom, SMC. I'm in a play on SMCI, good money there. And yeah, we'll talk about all these other things as well, guys. All right, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.